In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a mixed number into a decimal. So if we have a number like this, negative 32 and 7/100ths, and we need to write it as a decimal. So the first method I'm going to show you, step one, just for now, don't worry about the negative number, okay? And just keep in mind that we have two parts. There's the whole number and then there's the fraction. So 32 is the whole number and the fraction is 7/100, 7/100ths. Now the third step, convert the fraction to a decimal. So we're going to work with just the fraction portion, and changing 7/100 becomes 0.07. So dividing by 100 moves the decimal 2 places to the left, 1, 2, okay? So you put it here and it's 0.07. So now we combine the whole number and the decimal. So it's 32 plus 0.07, and that's just 32.07. And now finally we bring back the negative sign. You bring back in the negative sign and the answer is negative 32.07. So the next method I'm going to show you down here. So the first step in this method is write the number as an improper fraction. Okay, so what you do is you multiply this times this and then you add this to it. Okay, so let's look at those steps. So here's the first part, 32 times 100. Okay, 32 times 100. Put the negative sign outside and then add 7. And let's see that there is, here's the first step and here's the second step. So now we just calculate that out, and this top portion just equals 3207 over 100. And don't forget the minus sign. And now convert the fraction to a decimal. And we know to do that, we just move this decimal at the end of this number over 2 times to the left. So 1, 2. And we're left with negative 32.07. And that's it. That's the end of this lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. I have links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.